Hello everyone, this is Risul Karim, lecturer, Brack University, and today I'm gonna show you how to iterate inside an array inside assembly language, and I will be using emulator 8086 to demonstrate this small chunk of code. So first of all, I'm gonna make a com template uh, file for this small task. So I have to write make com, and this is optional. You can avoid writing this small code make com, but these are more conventional way of using it. And next up is I have to write org 100, which means it's the directory required for com program. So first of all, I'm gonna show you some move commands inside 8086 emulator. Move means storing values into registers, and in 8086 we have four general purpose registers, which are AX, BX, CX, and DX, which can be divided into two parts: AL, BL, CL, and DL, and AH, BH, CH, and DH. And you can store values inside this general purpose register. For example, if I write this move AX B800, this will store this value B800 inside AX. So I press emulate, and here comes the emulator. So this yellow line means my code is being executed here. So if I press single step, so it's storing B800 inside AX. Similarly, I can store something inside BX as well. For example, I write this code on the next line and press emulate and take single step. So B800 is stored, then this line will be executed if I press single step. So 15E, so this value has went inside BX. So 01, this part went inside the higher part, that is BH part, and 5E went to the lower part, 5E part. In 8086 we can also define variables to store values other than these registers. There are some other registers as well which will be used in later on. And so how do we define variables? We have to define variable at the end of the program. So after when the program finishes, we have to write this small code called read, which means you are stopping the program. And after you write read, you have to define the variables in at the bottom of the read command. It's because com template is designed that way. You have to define the variables underneath read command. So I have defined two variables, var1 and var2. var1 is assigned with 7 and var2 is assigned with 1 2 3 4. And what is this db and dw? This small command means that this var1 is a byte type variable, and this var2 is a word type variable, so it's just twice the size of a byte. And I can use these values for different purpose. For example, I can move the value of var1 into CL. So CL will contain the value of var1. I write this and I press emulate, and I take single step. So AX is getting B800, BX will get 15E, and CL will get the value of var1, which is 7. So if I take a look at CL, so it's getting 7.